going to mix up another drum of paint, and the colour we're going to be using is called Cotton Ball. Now, this will be my third drum for this house, so we're just going to get it ready because we're definitely going to need it. I've got an empty drum here, and I've got a full drum here. I've got the tint. Now, tint is water-based and oil-based, so you could add this in oil-based paint or in water-based paint in case you're wondering. So that's something, not a lot of tint in it, a bit of yellow and a bit of black. It's a very, very light colour, so I'm just going to put a little bit in there like that. What I like to do is put the lid on, or half of the paint into this empty one. Give this a shake. I'm going to use the drum that doesn't have any paint in it, that I've just poured a bit of paint in first. So that's the one I'm going to use. Take that, pour that in there. So we need to put some more water in here to get all that tint out. See, it's sort of disappeared, all the tint, a little bit still there, so we'll just keep shaking until that merges in with the water, just about there. Okay, pretty good. Pour that in, and basically we can just throw that away.
Let's take it slow, where you go I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow.